Hey guys, welcome back. We are here on Weather Week with another one of our crafts. We're making a storm cloud craft. Now this is one of the projects where I couldn't find very good instructions by seeing pictures, and so I just made my own version. So it's up to you. I painted my whole paper gray like a cloud, a storm cloud. The instructions I wrote said take black and white and mix it, and that way you get some variations in the color. And then I found some raindrop templates and some lightning bolts. So we're gonna put those in our rain cloud. So I've went ahead and traced my raindrop onto here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue those onto my rain cloud. My marker's trying to run away. I don't want to have to chase my marker all over the floor, so. You can put as many raindrops and lightning bolts as you would like for your scene. I got like 6 raindrops here. Yep, I got 6. So I'm just gluing my raindrops down. You can glue yours however you want. Just have mine all falling down. Now I'm gonna cut out my lightning bolt, which I traced. Figure out the best way to cut this. Easier. Okay. Okay, so now I got my lightning bolts cut out. I'm going to go ahead and glue those on. Ooh. My glue stick over. Okay, so I got my lightning bolts in my. I've got my marker. I'm just gonna make it look a little more cloudy. right here by the... And there we go. There is my thunderstorm cloud craft. I hope you guys enjoy making this. Couldn't think there for a second. See you later, guys. Bye.